Good morning. Welcome to St. Ronan's News, Monday the 29th of June 2020. Birthdays. There's no birthday today. No pupils have a birthday today. No cake. Not that I've got any cake anyway. We did this for ages. No cake. No house points either for the rest of the week. Following tradition, they will be switched off. The winner will be announced on Friday afternoon. Ooh, tension. I can't bang on the desk. It shakes my camera. This week sees the start of our social distancing picnics. The staff are looking forward to seeing some of you this week on the vast grounds. Maybe I will get some cake after all. Okay, what's going on during that? This is our final week of the news. Well, Artist in a Box is still displaying your work. If you have some items to send to Karen, send it. Is she still taking them? What do you mean she's still asleep? Did you wake her up? Ask her. We shall find out. I believe she's still accepting your work for Artist in a Box. The house challenges are still ongoing. The Pembroke one is definitely still ongoing. Richie's St. Ronan's Radio is still giving you so much information to listen to. Do go over there and have a listen. In the news, St. Ronan's has been shortlisted for the third year for a prep school award by the Independent School Parent magazine. Judging takes place later in the year. Fingers crossed. Yes, third time in a row. 3EGH designed a marble run, which had to carry a marble from one side of the classroom to the other. The children worked collaboratively and to design and construct the marble run. Take a look at this.
Go.
Coming down.
Poetry corner now. Someone who can speak much better than I can. It's Libby. Libby, it's your turn.
Ugstabugle by Peter Wesley Smith. Over by my bedroom wall, the Ugstabugle stands, a monster nearly 9 feet tall, with hairy, grasping hands. In the afternoons and mornings, he's always out of sight, but often I can see him in the darkest late of nights. Yet when I do not think of him, he disappears again. But when I go to sleep, he goes, because I cannot see him then.
Well done, Libby. And in Culture Corner, we have Ruben today. Ruben, take it away.
La chenille qui fait des tontous. Le lundi, elle croque dans une pomme. Le mardi, elle croque dans deux pois. Le mercredi, elle croque dans 3 prunes. Le jeudi, elle croque dans 4 fraises. Le vendredi, elle croque dans 5 oranges. Le samedi, elle croque dans 6 sucettes. Elle reste devenue une superbe papillon.
Thank you, Ruben. And I'd like to thank everyone who sent videos in and allowed us to show them. If you sent a video in and it has parents in there, I can't show them unless I have parents' consent. So please let me know. We now have just enough time. We don't have just enough time. This is a really short one today. Do we have to go in there? She's not up yet. Oh, she's getting up now. Okay. We have just enough time to pop into the garden and see what's going on there. Karen. Oh, hello, Karen.
Hello, Terry. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you in your garden looking at your plants, are you?
No, I'm trying to water them. I think there must be something stuck down the hose pipe. I can't.
Let's have a look.
I can't
Can I have a little look? You got a little trickle.
Yeah, little.
I can't. Hey, I think I can see something really blocked in there. Have a closer look.
All right.
Closer.
Yeah.
Closer. Can you see it?
Terry!
Wakey, wakey, Karen. Now, what's the weather going to be like today?
Hot. Thankfully, I'll dry out.
Do you need a cardigan?
No, I need a towel.
Have a good day. Bye. I don't know. Oh, I've got 5 more days of this. 4 more days after today. I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's all we have time for. Take care. Enjoy your days today. If you're having a picnic, stay safe. Don't forget that distancing. And I'll either see you today or for the news. We will see you tomorrow. Sorry, we will see you tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye.